India's hidden waterfalls, secret natural wonders. Imagine standing in front of a breathtaking waterfall, untouched by crowds, hidden deep in nature. A place so serene, it feels like a secret paradise. India is home to some of the most spectacular waterfalls, but many remain undiscovered by mainstream tourism. In this video, we take you on a journey to India's most hidden waterfalls, natural wonders that few have seen but all must experience. India's hidden waterfalls. India is known for iconic waterfalls like Jog Falls, Dudhsagar, and Atirapalli. But beyond these famous spots lie hidden gems, waterfalls nestled in remote forests, deep valleys, and untouched landscapes. These are places where nature thrives, away from commercial tourism. Ready to explore? The hidden waterfalls of India. Chitrakote's secret twin, Tamdaghumar Waterfall, Chhattisgarh. Located near the famous Chitrakote Falls, Tamdaghumar is a hidden beauty in Chhattisgarh. Unlike its famous twin, this waterfall remains untouched by mass tourism. The best time to visit: post-monsoon, when the water gushes through the lush greenery. Thuvanam Waterfalls, Kerala. Deep inside the Chinnar Wildlife Sanctuary, Kerala hides Thuvanam Waterfalls, a secluded beauty accessible only through a jungle trek. The sound of gushing water mixed with the chirping of exotic birds makes this a must-visit for nature lovers. Jung Falls, Arunachal Pradesh. In the remote regions of Tawang, Arunachal Pradesh, lies the stunning Jung Falls. Also known as Nuranang Falls, this hidden gem remains one of India's most underrated waterfalls. Surrounded by mystical landscapes and Buddhist monasteries, this is an experience like no other. Kinram Falls, Meghalaya. Meghalaya is called the land of waterfalls for a reason. While tourists flock to Noakhalikai, few know about Kinram Falls, a majestic three-tiered waterfall hidden within Noakhali Wildlife Sanctuary. A visit here feels like stepping into a real-life fairy tale. Amritdhara Waterfalls, Chhattisgarh. Another hidden treasure of Chhattisgarh, Amritdhara Falls, remains unexplored by most travelers. The sight of water gushing down rocky cliffs into a clear pool is simply breathtaking. How to reach these waterfalls and travel tips. Since these waterfalls are hidden deep in nature, getting there requires a bit of adventure. Here are some travel tips. Best time to visit: most of these waterfalls look their best right after the monsoon season, July to October. How to reach: many require a short trek, so carry good trekking shoes, enough water, and light snacks. Permits and entry fees: some waterfalls, especially those inside wildlife sanctuaries, might need special permits. Respect nature: these places remain beautiful because they are untouched. Let's keep them that way by not littering. Local legends and mystical stories: many of these waterfalls have fascinating local legends surrounding them. Jung Falls, Arunachal Pradesh. According to local folklore, this waterfall was created when a divine spirit split the mountain to help a stranded villager escape. Kinram Falls, Meghalaya. Legends say that the spirits of the forest guard this sacred waterfall, protecting it from outsiders. Amritdhara Falls, Chhattisgarh. It is believed that the water here has healing properties, attracting pilgrims seeking blessings. Conclusion and call to action: India's hidden waterfalls are more than just scenic spots, they are untouched wonders waiting to be explored. So, which of these waterfalls is now on your bucket list? Have you visited any of them? Let me know in the comments. Like, share and subscribe for more amazing travel destinations. If you love discovering hidden gems, subscribe to this channel for more amazing travel stories. Until next time, keep exploring and stay adventurous.